It's Halloween. Let's learn some fun and spooky words. Trick or treat. Asking for candy on Halloween. The kids went trick or treating at 7 p.m. Happy Halloween. Greeting people on Halloween. Happy Halloween, everyone. Spooky. A little scary but fun. I love those spooky decorations. Pumpkin carving. Cutting designs into pumpkins. We did some pumpkin carving last night. Witching hour. Midnight, the time for spooky things. Strange things happen at the witching hour. Jack-o'-lantern. A carved pumpkin with a face. The jack-o'-lantern looks spooky. Haunted house. A scary house with ghosts, real or fake. We visited a haunted house today. Ghost stories. Spooky stories told for fun. Let's tell ghost stories tonight. Candy haul. A big collection of Halloween candy. Look at my candy haul. Zombie walk. A slow, scary walk like a zombie. He did a funny zombie walk. Apple bobbing. A traditional Halloween game. Have you ever tried apple bobbing? Spooktacular. A fun way to say spooky and amazing. Spooky plus spectacular. That was a spectacular party. Monster Mash. A famous Halloween dance or song. They played Monster Mash at the party. Fright Night. A night full of scary fun or horror movies. Let's have a fright night with horror movies. Bone chilling. Very scary, gives you shivers. That ghost story was bone chilling.